Hey, what's up Buttercup? My name is Margie and this is my husband Ken. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how we replace our ceiling fan in our patio. So we are having issue with our ceiling fan because it doesn't produce a lot of airflow. That's why we decided to replace it. Ken bought this fan on Lowe's online and it is called Harbor Breeze 72 inches with lights and remote control. First thing is to unpack everything. This way, it's easy to find the parts that we needed when we follow the directions. For me, while we are doing this, the manual is very important. I don't think I can do it without manual. So remember to follow the manual when you are doing this. After we unpack it, we put the fan together. Using a screwdriver, Ken put the bracket on the ceiling, where the power box is located, and then he slid in the assembled ceiling fan. He connected all the wires and tucked it inside the little space in there. You need to twist that plate that flashed to the ceiling. And the bottom of the plate, there's a little ring that will cover all the screws. You also need to twist that to stay in place. Before we move on to the next step, we tested it. And everything looks good. So he started to put all the blades. After putting all the blades, he put on the lights. He just connected to the connector and twisted to stay in place. Everything was easy for him. I was just here to video and to support what he's doing. After everything is done, we tested it and everything works. I can say that this fan produces more of airflow than the one that we have here before. So I believe we solved this issue that we have here before. And of course, everything is not done if the remote is not in place. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye!